Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can get the Add Yours option on your Instagram account or how you can fix Add Yours option not working for you. So let's start with the video. If you know that Instagram launched Add Yours feature back in November 2021, and with the help of this feature, we can make stories on our Instagram, which can be used by users all over the world. And we can participate in this chain stories by simply tapping on Add Yours option. But the main problem which users are facing is that they are not able to use this feature, which means when they are tapping on Add Yours option, it's not working for them and it's simply moving to the next story. So what's the problem with these accounts? So the one reason I found out that if your Instagram account is new, which means you just open your Instagram account few days back, then this feature doesn't come with the new account. To get this feature, we have to wait for at least 2 or 3 months, and after our account gets 2 or 3 months old, we will get this feature in our account. I'm not making any fake story about this feature, because I have also created a new account a few months back in July, and when I created a new account, I didn't have this feature on my account too, so after waiting for 2 months, I got this feature today on my account, and I have created other account too. And those accounts didn't have that feature too, and in those accounts, I have got the feature after waiting for around 3 months. Here in this account, I didn't have to wait for 3 months, I have got this feature within the 2 months, and the reason for that is, I was reporting my problem to Instagram, that I don't have this Add Yours feature in this account, so kindly make this feature available as soon as possible, and uploading the screenshot of your sticker page. Here you can see, I have got this Add Yours feature in my account, but if you don't have this feature, you won't see this feature in your sticker page. So you have to take a screenshot of this page and add this with your report. And to be honest, I reported quit a few times every week, and the result is that here I got this feature today. As you can see, these stories are not working because I have got this feature a few hours back, and these stories were uploaded yesterday, so it's not working for me. And the one which was uploaded today is working for me because I got this feature just few hours back. So this is how you can get this feature on your new Instagram within the 2 months. And if you won't report to Instagram, then you have to wait for around 3 months. I am saying 3 months because in the another account I haven't reported my problem to Instagram, so in that it took 3 months to get this feature in that account. So keep reporting to Instagram to get this feature in your account as soon as possible. And now, if your account is not new and was created few years back, and you're still not able to use this feature, then it must be some kind of glitch in your account, which you don't have to be worried about. It will be fixed in a few weeks. You just have to keep your Instagram account updated whenever there's a new update available on Play or App Store. And with that, you have to report to Instagram too that you haven't got this feature in your account few times. So this is how you get and fix the Add Yours feature in your Instagram account. So this is how you get and fix the Add Yours feature in your Instagram account. I hope you liked this video. If you have any questions related to this feature, feel free to ask in the comments section. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next video.